Welcome back to Piston Cup Talk, round the clock, where we do nothing but talk racing. Let's get to it. Starting, of course, with Lightning McQueen. With the season start just 2 weeks away, there's still no official announcement. But with number 95 coming off his worst year on record, don't shoot the messenger here, folks. I think it's safe to assume that Lightning McQueen's racing days are over. Meanwhile, Jackson Storm is looking even faster than...
As they enter the final lap, the number 6 and number 12 cars are still fighting it out for the lead. But wait, here he comes. It's the fabulous Hudson Hornet knocking at their door. What's he got up his sleeve today? And there it is! With one incredible move, he's passed them. The Hornet takes a decisive lead. He's left the pack behind. His crew, Chief Smokey, is loving it. It's unbelievable! Oh no, he's in trouble! The Hudson Hornet has lost control! The Hudson Hornet has lost control! What should have been a scene of jubilation has turned tragic here today, folks, as we await news on the Hudson Hornet's condition. After such a devastating crash, we can only hope that this race today wasn't his last.
We have some new news. Hey look, it's Angry Grandpa. He is so angry. And destroys stuff. You have angry whenever he wants. Look, it's came behind a camera. Oh no, Angry Grandpa has a cancer. Angry Grandpa has a cancer. Angry Grandpa has a lot of his lung cancer today.
But they won't know how bad it is until once they go in the truck and it out.
And see what his last.
When I finally got put together, I went back expecting a big welcome. You know what they said? Your history. Moved right on to the next bookie standing in line. There was a lot left in me. I never got a chance to show 'em.
Hey, Stickers.
Hey, Sal.
How you feeling?
Yeah, great. Really, really great.
Been thinking about Doc again?
Yeah. You know, they told him when he was done. He didn't decide. I don't want what happened to Doc to happen to me.
But that hasn't happened.
No, but I can't go out on the track and do the same old thing. It won't work.
Then change it up. Try something new.
Yes. I don't know, Sally,
Don't fear failure. Be afraid of not having the chance. You have the chance. Doc didn't. And you can either take it, or you can do what you've been doing, sitting in here for months. And by the way, I love what you've done with the place. I mean, the monster movie lighting and the musky air freshener. And don't let anyone tell you you're not working that primer, because wow, I have never found you more attractive. And now that I've been in here for a couple minutes, the stench, I'm getting kind of used to it.
Okay, Sal, I get it. I get it.
I miss you, Lightning. We all do.
Try something new, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, did it work, Miss Sally? Did you set him straight with your lawyerly powers of persuasion? Is he ready to start training?
Well, Stinky? Stickers?
What do you think, Lenny?
Yes, Mater, I am. I decide when I'm done.
I was hoping you'd say that.
Okay, but I got an idea, and I'm gonna need to talk to Rusty and Dusty, all right?
Oh, I'll get him on the horn. Get it? On the horn? Oops, hold on. Gotta sneeze. That gum, I lost it. Hey, I'll see it flows. I found it. Hey, watch your step.